take some questions, some, 2, 3 at least, after that.
We can't take frivolous questions, but
Please.
we will.
Thanks.
हिंदी भी सर प्लीज हिंदी चैनल ज्यादा है सर
ज्ञानेश्वर
ज्ञानेश्वर सर हिंदी में पढ़ेंगे तो
पहले मैं डिपार्टमेंट Narcotics Control Bureau follows a professional and unbiased approach in ongoing mission of tackling drug menace in the country. NCB takes action either on the basis of inputs received from public sources or based on developed intelligence inputs incorporating various surveillance means. On this specific information, the team of NCB Mumbai Zone raided at International Cruise Terminal, Green Gate, Mumbai and Cordilla cruise ship on 2nd of October and intercepted 8 persons on the spot along with various drugs like cocaine, mephedrone, charas, hydroponic weed, MDMA and cash worth 1,33,000. As per the due procedure established by law of land, independent public witnesses are mandatorily required to be present during seizure operations. NCB strongly adheres to this procedure and involves at least 2 independent witnesses in all the operations. As the operations are conducted on real-time basis, field verification of independent witness is not possible as the main focus is on operation and drug recovery. A total of 9 independent witnesses were involved in the whole operation and Mr. Manish Bhanushali and Mr. KP Gosavi were among them. None of the independent witnesses, including the 2 names above, were known to NCB prior to this operation. As high-profile persons were detained in the said case to avoid any unwanted leakages of information and safety of the detained persons, they were rushed to the safety at NCB office to avoid large crowds and numerous cameras gathered. None of the detained or arrested person was ill-treated in any way while following all due procedures of law. Even the defense has acknowledged this in court and reposed trust in NCB officers. A total of 14 persons were brought to NCB office for examination. All of them were served notice under Section 67 of NDPS Act. They were examined thoroughly and their statements were duly recorded. Thereafter, 8 persons were arrested and remaining 6 persons were let off since no incriminating evidence was found against them. However, in the due course of time, during investigation, they can be associated if there is some evidence or if there is some need. Panchnamas, they are made on respective spots. Hence, the place, timing, situation and resource may vary. However, I reiterate that these Panchnamas are legal document and they are matter of court record and have been produced in honorable court and will be part of the charge sheet in the future. Hence, all such documents are part of transparent legal procedure open to legal scrutiny and scrutiny at appropriate forum. The police custody of 8 persons arrested from the cruise was granted by Honorable Court, initially for 1 day, further it was extended by 4 days, and now they have been granted judicial custody for 14 days. They have been sent to Arthur Jail, as you all know. All other 10 accused persons arrested later were also granted police custody by Honorable Court after duly considering the contentions and material presented by NCB. They have been granted custody for different durations and are being interrogated and examined by NCB presently. On the basis of interrogation and disclosure by accused persons during custodial interrogation, 6 follow-up seizures have been effected at various places in Mumbai, following due procedures as per law. In these follow-up operations, 10 persons, including 1 foreigner, has been arrested, making the total to 18. Various drugs like ecstasy, mephedrone, hydroponic weed, multi-strain cannabis, charas, etc. have been recovered, including few commercial quantities of drugs, which is a serious concern. Continuous drug recoveries in the follow-up operations indicate towards the large network in this drug menace, spoiling our younger generation. Investigation of the case is in progress to unearth the entire chain and the network. All the allegations leveled against the NCB are baseless, motivated, afterthought and prejudiced. Such statements are based on conjecture and assumptions. These assumptions are frivolous and malicious in the view of document and record produced, duly followed by NCB, that can be subject to legal verification. NCB reiterates that its procedure has been and will continue to be professionally and legally transparent and unbiased, and all the suspect and accused persons have been treated at par and in accordance with law.
हिंदी में सर, हिंदी में एक मिनट